Hi, Rafika here. Today I will invite you to the natural panorama of the waterfall in my city. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Stay tuned. One of the many beauties in that there is a waterfall that is very famous, especially for the people of Jepara. Its name is Songgo langit waterfall. The road to Songgo langit waterfall is not as difficult as trekking to the location of most waterfalls. The location of Songgo Langit waterfall is located next to the main route that can be passed by four-wheel and two-wheel vehicle. The current of Songgo Langit waterfall is strongly influenced by the seasons. If the rainy season arrives, it will be very heavy, and vice versa. If the dry season arrives, the water conditions are not so great. Some of the various tourist activities that visitors can do while at the Songgo Langit waterfalls, photo hunt or photo spot. So you can take pictures surrounding by nature, like amazing picture, near the waterfall that is really attractive. Play water, but you can swimming in the big pool near the waterfall because it's dangerous. Spot to enjoy or a very comfortable seat while enjoying the beauty of the surrounding of the nature. Thanks for watching and see you next time.